Y'all love the almond cookies, but there are a few comments asking whether you can use different kinds of nuts. So let's put them to the test today. Our choice of nuts for testing today. We have pistachios, peanuts, walnuts, and cashew nuts. These are all toasted. Please taste the nut first before you blend. So like the peanuts, right, I didn't toast because they're really quite fragrant. Let's blend. If I can figure out how to do this, let me get back to you. Can you see how fine that powder is? That's how fine we want it, okay? Now all of our nuts have been blended. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix my cookie dough. I'm gonna split it into 4 and then I'm gonna add our respective nut powders into them. This looks quite evenly incorporated to me. Oh, it reminds me of like the candy that they like roll out. Then they roll out. I'm gonna portion these out into 4 BRB. All my doughs have been mixed. Okay, all the different doughs have very different textures. I am going to add enough flour so that I have the texture of dough that I want. So how you know the dough has enough flour, right, is that from shiny it goes to a little bit more matte. And now I'm gonna roll it out. Ha ha! Chan chan! Hooah! Cute! Final and optional step. An egg wash. This time I'm using an egg yolk because I want that rich color. And also you realize I'm not decorating the cookies today. I'm just a bit scared that the raw nuts itself, right, will burn. Ready to go into the oven. Let's go. Let's get it. I'm testing these also because number 1, a lot of you asked me whether you can use different nuts, right? Number 2, Hari Raya is coming up! And I know that for Hari Raya, there are a lot of like nut cookies out there as well. Like I think Pistachio is one of them. Almond London is one of them with like almond cookie, but there's an almond in the middle and like it's coated in chocolate. I feel like we don't really realize how similar our snacks, our dessert, our food can be across our different cultures. And it's quite fun. I'm excited to feed everyone and find out what they think. Ooh. Okay. Walnut one, very light. It's not like the Hong Kong cookie style of like walnut cookies. I'll rank these in just a bit. To be very honest, I don't taste the cashews. Not necessarily in a bad way, but these are very like delicate. Delicious. Wow, very fragrant. Like you can obviously tell that this is peanut. I know how to rank it already. Pistachio number 1, peanut number 2, cashew number 3, and walnut number 4. Walnuts, right? Try and remove the skin if you can. Peanut, even if you can't get it into a fine powder, right? As long as you add enough flour, the texture of this cookie and the flavor is going to be. Pistachio, very, very delicious. No notes. 10 out of 10. Cashew nut, I feel like you could skip it. I would rather you make something that's very obviously a nut flavor. I hope you guys enjoyed this chaotic experiment of different flavors. But I think it was really fun. Highly recommend the pistachio ones and the peanut ones. Walnut, remove the skin. Cashew nut, just make almond. And if you do make it, please tag us. Enjoy!
It's so soft. Last time, because my mom bakes cookies and she sells them, she'll make like pineapple tart, she'll make kueh lapis, she'll make confit cookies, and I always thought it's like a Malay or Hari Raya thing lah. But then as I grew older, Chinese New Year also have this kind of things. Wait, so which one's your favorite?
I like the cookie itself. I think that's why I go to it.
Yes.
Make it at home.
Oh, very good. I love it. The sweetness is very balanced. The texture is good. You can taste the nuts. Selamat Hari Raya.